guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So please take a moment, hit that red subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video you will get notification. By the title and by the background you already know this is going to be my perfume collection video. एक तरफ है 190 का परफ्यूम जो कॉलेज डेज में सेवियर है एंड दूसरी तरफ है 21,000 का परफ्यूम विच इज ओनली फॉर स्पेशल ओकेशन। आज मैं दिखाऊंगी मेरी परफ्यूम कलेक्शन अफोर्डेबल से लेकर लग्जरी तक, हर बजट हर वाइब, यहाँ सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। Starting this video with a very budget friendly perfume. This is by Ramsons You Are Lovely and this is 30 ml of bottle and it retail for rupees 190 but on offer and Nykaa Pink Sale is coming, so you can easily get it around 130 or 100. And this is what the packaging look like. This packaging is so basic. It smells like floral and musky. It has note of peach, aquatic and musky. And this easily lasts around 1 to 2 hours. And this is so basic perfume. Up next we have Zudio Sparkle Body Mist. You guys can see it how much I have used this, and there is shimmer particle which is not prominent at all. This straight up smell like sweet vanilla cupcake and it smells so good. If you are a vanilla lover, you can get this, and this easily lasts around 1 to 2 hours. It has note of vanilla, that's all I can pinpoint it. Next up I have Carter London Fantasy gift set and this contains set of 4 perfume. It retail for 1390 and you can easily get it on discount around 600-700. This has 4 perfume in it and look at the packaging. The packaging looks so classy. Starting with the note, this is very cute and chotu si packaging that can easily fit into your handbag, and the cap is tight. This is fresh summertime fragrance. It smells like jasmine and gardenia. This smells so good. It has notes of jasmine, gardenia and white musk, and it will last around 2 to 3 hours easily. It will last around 2 to 3 hours easily on your body and you will smell like chalta firta jasmine flower, and this smells so good. If you are into floral jasmine fragrances, then definitely get this one in bigger size. Next up I have Bliss, and as the name suggests, Bliss, it smells fresh and musky. Look at the color and packaging. This is so nice. The only disappointment is the spray. The spray is not that fine like the other one. It has notes of peach and white musk and it lasts for good 3 to 4 hours. Next up I have Desire, and this is fruity summertime fragrance and it has hint of floral. The spray is fine. It has notes of rose, vanilla and orange and it smells so sophisticated and it will last you around 2 to 3 hours. Last perfume from the gift set is this Muse. This straight up smells so fruity but it has slight note of floral in it. I don't like so fruity fragrances and it smells so fruity. This is that kind of fragrance which I don't like in my vanity, and this surely will give a good headache to me. I don't like the smell. This exactly smell like Mortine with some floral agarbatti mix into it. This is so bad. Next up I have Moi by Nykaa. This is in the variant Martine. And I saw Nidhi talking about this fragrance on YouTube, and on that recommendation I have brought it and it retail for rupees 279. Wow, it smells so fresh. This is sweet, floral and fresh fragrance. I saw only Nidhi raving about this fragrance and I can seriously understand why. ये काफी सटल फ्रेग्रेंस है, इससे कोई भी हेडेक नहीं होगा and it has notes of white rose, magnolia and bergamot with mix of woody and spiciness to it, which I actually can't pinpoint it. Like इसमें और क्या mix है, I cannot figure it out. But trust me, you have to get this on Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Definitely you will love it. Next up, I have Moi by Nykaa. This is in the variant Joy the Vivre. I saw everyone talking about this fragrance and trust me, I get influenced so easily, so I got this. It retail for 279. Uh, it has so complex note of fresh and citrusy mix to it. It has aquatic note to it, which I actually can't pinpoint it because it has so complex note and this smells so good. When you will apply this, you will easily transport to some beach vacation and it smells so fresh and it will last around 3 to 4 hours because I have used this once and this lasted me around 3 to 4 hours. So hoping the same, it will last around 3 to 4 hours. Next on my list is this Rene Floral Fest. It retail for 5.99 and it lasts for good decent amount of time, around 5 to 6 hours. It has a strong citrusy floral fragrance to it. It has notes of lemon, orange, peony and rose. It gave me such a bad headache, like oh my god, I don't want this fragrance in my vanity and I will not recommend this fragrance. I don't know why everyone on the internet was raving about this fragrance, but there is nothing good about this fragrance. Next on my list is this Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris. It retail for 349. As the name suggests, it has strong notes of berries and champagne to it. This is perfectly balanced fragrance. It has sweet note to it with a hint of citrusy note to it and it has notes of strawberries, lemon and champagne and it will easily last for around 3 to 4 hours. This fragrance is so good. Next on my list is this Skin by Titan. This is in the variant Celeste. It retails for 6.95 for 20 ml of product. This is perfect daytime fragrance. It has mysterious note of floral mixed with woody notes and this lasts so long and you can see how much I have used it. It has notes of blood orange, jasmine, water lily and sandalwood. This is perfect daytime fragrance and it will last so long on your body. This is so good. Trust me, get full size in this. Not full size, but at least 50 ml of this. Next on my list, I have Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello. And this is most hype fragrance on the internet. And the hype actually worth it. It retail for 8.99 and has notes of vanilla, caramel, pistachio and almonds to it. This is perfect daytime fragrance and it will last you around 4 to 5 hours. This is not your very basic vanilla fragrance but it has sweet and mature vanilla fragrance to it and it's so unique. Next up I have Skin by Titan Nude. This is in the 50 ml of variant and it retail for 19.95. Look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. It has ombre gradient effect on the bottle. This fragrance is perfect for a coffee date, brunch or a corporate event. This is that kind of perfume which will get so many compliments and trust me when I say so many compliments because I have get most compliment on this perfume and this is my second bottle of this perfume and it's so good. First my roommate has gifted me and then I am hooked on this perfume. Also it has notes of lychee, firewood, musk and violets and it will last you whole day. You don't need any reapplication of this perfume. Also this is so seductive fragrance. Next up, I have this Victoria's Secret body mist, and this is in the variant Bombshell. This is full size body mist and it retail for 3000 rupees. In this variant, you can also get a smaller one. It has fruity note and this is so fruity and fresh. It has notes of purple passion fruit, vanilla and orchid, and as a body mist this will last you so long. It lasts around 2 to 3 hours, which is so good for a body mist to stay, and it smells heavenly. Next up on my list, I have Body Mist by Victoria's Secret. This is in the variant Pure Seduction and it has shimmer particle. I got this shimmer variant. It retail for 2499. I got this on Riddle recommendation and trust me, this is so good. It smells so heavenly. I can only smell the plum notes to it, but I cannot smell any other note. It is so fruity. Oh my god, it's so fruity, it's so good. You have to get this. It will last you around 2 to 3 hours. And when I say Victoria's Secret body mist last you around 2 to 3 hours, trust me, they will last you. Victoria's Secret body mist are killer. Next up on my list, I have Ajmal Senora, and look at the packaging. The packaging is so aesthetic. Look at the bottle color. It's so vibrant and so aesthetic. It retail for 2000 and it can be your signature scent. I discovered this brand and this perfume in lockdown. It has notes of floral and woody. When you open it and smell it, it is straight up smell like floral scent. This is not that kind of perfume which will give you headache, not like the Rene one, but this is so decently floral and woody. It has notes of rose, jasmine, vanilla, patchouli and musk, and it will last you around 7 to 8 hours, and this was my signature scent back then. Next up, I have perfume by Studio West by Westside. This is in the variant 003. Look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. It contains 25 ml of product and this is so pocket friendly perfume. You can easily carry this perfume in your bag. This smells so good. It has notes of blackcurrant and caramel. But this is a bummer. It barely lasts 2 hours and it retail for 195 rupees. I would say don't go and buy this. Next on my list, I have Miniso perfume. This is in the variant Libra and it retails for 400 rupees. And look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute and tiny. You can easily carry around. It has notes of pink pepper, bergamot and aqua. And it smells so fresh and it will last you around 3 to 4 hours on your body. And look at that. I have finished till the end. Like there is no perfume inside. I am going to repurchase it for sure. Next up, I have Brilliance by Star and this is by Miniso. It retails for 200 rupees. It has notes of violet, jasmine and bergamot and this smells so good and it will last you around 3 to 4 hours on your body. I'm not sure I'm gonna repurchase it or not, but this is a good buy from Miniso. Next up, I have perfume by Foxtail. This is Valley of Flower. I got this trial pack with some other Foxtail product when I have ordered it from their site and it smells so good. Trust me, I am going to buy full size of this perfume and full size of this perfume retail for 945 rupees. I have a tester, I have used it and this is almost empty. It has note of green mandarin, pear and little bit of chocolatey subtle note. This is so good and it lasts for around 5 to 6 hours, which is so decent according to the price. This exactly smell like luxury in a bottle at fraction of the price and definitely going to buy full size of this perfume. Next up, I have fragrance by Plum Body Loving. This is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba and this is the body mist. This is 100 ml of the product and it retail for 395 rupees. This bottle transport you to the beach and the beach vacation. Oh my god, this smells so fresh. It has notes of pineapple, gardenia, hibiscus and vanilla and it will last you for 1 to 2 hours. Basically body mist इतना ही last होता है around 1 to 2 hours, but Victoria's Secret body mist की बात ही अलग है. They last you for good 3 to 4 hours. This is so budget friendly body mist and this scream expensive. Next up on my list, I have this Versace Crystal Noir. I have this 15 ml of mini perfume because मैंने इसका set खरीदा था. It contains 4 different perfume like the Absolute Crystal, the Crystal and the Diamond variant, the yellow variant. But this is my most favorite and the absolute one. This has to be my favorite fragrance from Versace and it smells so divine. And 50 ml of this perfume retails for 19,800, which I might get it because this is 15 ml and this is almost over. This is floral and warm. This is perfect winter fragrance. It has note of ginger, amber, cardamom and peony and it lasts you whole day. Like नेक्स्ट डे अगर आप कपड़े धोने में भी रखते हो बट आपको फ्रेग्रेंस आएगी. दिस इज दैट गुड फ्रेग्रेंस. Next up, I have this Versace Bright Crystal Absolute and it retail for 10,000 rupees. This is the stronger version of the Bright Crystal and this smells so good. It smells earthy, woody, floral and fresh. The mixology is so complex. I can't pinpoint any, but trust me when I say it smells so good, so divine. It has note of yuzu, lotus, peony, musk and 2-3 sprays are more than enough. This was my wedding fragrance and when I apply this perfume, I transport it to my wedding and oh my god, it smells so good. Next up on my list is this Bath and Body Works Into the Night Body Mist and it retails for 899. And this is gourmand fragrance. When I say gourmand fragrance, that means this is sweet fragrance. It has note of raspberry, pear, rose and it smells so luxurious. And if you layer with the shower gel, body lotion and body mist, it will last you for good 4 to 5 hours. And if you just apply this as a body mist, it will last you around 1 to 2 hours. And body mist usually lasts for 1 to 2 hours. So this is a body mist at the end of the day. Next up on my list is this YSL Libre Intense. It retails for 11,800. It will give you boss woman vibe. It has notes of orange flower, vanilla, bourbon and lavender. This is a perfect date night or a corporate event fragrance and if you are a boss woman, you have to get this and this smells so good. This is not so average perfume. This is so luxurious. And of course, the brand is also so luxurious, so it has to be luxurious. Next up on my list is this Tom Ford Black Orchid. It retail for 21,000 and I know it's a lot for a perfume, but clearly you can see I am a perfume sucker and so I have to get this and this is my most used fragrance. This is a man fragrance but I use it anyway. I like man fragrance more. This is perfect date night fragrance. This is so seductive and this is head turner fragrance and you will get noticed, you will get asked like which perfume are you using. So this is the Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume. It is strong, warm and spicy and it can be your perfect gifting option for your husband and for any guy. It has note of black truffle, black orchid and noir. When I apply this perfume, I transport it to Singapore because perfume contain memories. So every time I visit new country, if there is any special occasion, I tend to get new perfume so that whenever I apply that perfume, I will get those good memories with it. So this is that perfume. Last but not the least, I have Jo Paul Gaultier and this is in the variant La Belle Intense and look at the bottle. Firstly, appreciate the packaging. The packaging, the bottle, the aesthetic, everything is so good. This is a recent buy, not the recent buy, but actually it's a gift from my husband on my birthday. I appreciate and I appreciate his efforts. Like, oh, perfume देने का सोचा. And that to Jo Paul Gaultier. Oh, Actually, I was eyeing this, so he got me, and it's a win-win situation. It retail for 9,180 rupees. It has note of vanilla, tonka bean, and pear. It can be your signature scent, and the smell is so good. It's so addictive and seductive, and it lasts whole day. When I say whole day, trust me. After the wash, even after the cloth wash, this fragrance will linger around. So this is that fragrance. This is so good, and this worth every single investment. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and इस वीडियो में आपको अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही गया होगा. And if you get any of these fragrances, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I would be more than happy, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Also, please like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.